Best Coffee Maker Reviews. Number 5. Keurig K150 Single Cup Commercial K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker. Benefits: A. Designed for small to medium-sized businesses, and durably built to perform day in and day out, the K150 Commercial Coffee Maker delivers beverages everyone will love. Benefits: B. NSF certified, rugged and sanitary. This brewer has passed extensive testing and analysis of the National Sanitation Foundation. Benefits: C. 5 brew sizes. Choose from 5 different brew sizes: 4 ounces, 6 ounces, 8 ounces, 10 ounces, or 12 ounces. From strong to milder brewed beverages. Because tastes differ. Price: $224.99. Number 4. Keurig K Elite K Single Serve K-Cup Pod Maker. Benefits: A. What's in the box? A bonus 6-count K-Cup Pod Variety Pack, 1 water filter handle, and 1 filter to help ensure your beverages taste their absolute best. Benefits: B. Strong brew button, increases the strength and bold taste of your coffee's flavor. Benefits: C. Coffee in no time, brews K-Cup pods in under a minute. Price: $161.50. Number 3. Keurig K475 Single Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker. Benefits: A. K-Cup pod brew sizes: 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 ounces. Brews a carafe, 22, 26, or 30 ounces, using K-Carafe pods, to give you more coffee when you need it. Carafe sold separately. Benefits: B. What's in the box? 6 K-Cup pods and a water filter handle plus 2 filters to help your beverages taste their best, and 2.4-inch color touch display screen. Benefits: C. Dispense hot water only by opening and closing the brewer handle, without a pot, and selecting your desired brew size. A removable drip tray at the base of the brewer catches drips and makes for easy cleanup. Price: $135.63. Number 2. Keurig K575 Single Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker. Benefits: A. Extra large color touch screen, a digital clock makes it easy to brew a fresh, great tasting cup in under a minute. Benefits: B. Strength control. A strength control setting allows you to brew a bolder cup using any K-Cup pod brew size. Plus, 5 temperature settings allow you to enjoy your favorite beverage at your desired temperature. Benefits: C. Multiple K-Cup pod brew sizes: 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 ounces. Brews a carafe, 22, 26, or 30 ounces, using K-Carafe pods, to give you more coffee when you need it. Carafe sold separately. Price: $159.99. Number 1. Keurig K55 per Carat Classic Coffee Maker. Benefits: A. Classic Series K55 were introduced on the brewer gift boxes. These names refer to the entire retail package, the new gift box, the brewer, and any other items packed within the box. Benefits B. However, the model numbers associated with the brewers inside of the gift boxes remained the same, that is K40, because no changes were made to them as part of the transition. Benefit C. What's in the BOX? The Keurig K55 K-Cup single-serve coffee maker includes 4 K-Cup pods and a water filter handle plus 2 water filters to help your beverages taste their best. Price, $62.58. Check the video description for more information.